Hello everyone, my name is Lavinia and welcome to today's video. This is going to be a spoiler alert. I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Minutes of Zen drawing kit, the May Florals. And this is put together and curated by Kelly Bluen. I will link her channel in the description box. You can also check out this website if this is something that you want to purchase. From what I understand, these they are a subscription box. It started here in 2026 and we are now at May, but she is selling this one separately from, I believe, the subscription. So if it's something that you're interested in, definitely go ahead and check out the website and order yours. This is not sponsored. This is a, my own unboxing of what's in here. And I just wanted to show you. I'm going to cover the address, but she does have a pretty little floral here. Pretty little flower. So I'm going to go ahead and open this, but because she does include a QR code for the videos, I am going to open it. I mean, it is still closed, but I am going to open it and take out or cover that QR code. I was hoping I could save that sticker, but it was a piece of Scotch tape so it did rip, but let's go ahead. Yep, the QR code is here, so let me just cover that. Okay, so it says here, May Florals, welcome to your florals kit. This month we will be inspired by the season of spring and blooming gardens. Inside this kit, you will find all the materials you need to follow along on this drawing adventure. And then she will have videos and there is the QR code. So I am going to now set that aside and let's take a look at what's in the box. Let me see if I can raise this just a little bit. So she always includes a little drawing. Oh, this is on a magnet. So this is a glassine envelope. And here is her drawing. It says May Florals 2026. And let's see, and I just wanted to show you it's a magnet. So that'll be fun. So very cute. That is different. Let's see here. We have an envelope with a very pretty sticker on here. I wish I could have saved that, but ooh, there's a lot in here. Let's take a look. This says Jebby. Not sure what that is. Maybe there might be some other information in there. But we have a tortillon. We can use that for our pencil. So there's a Zentangle pencil. And for this, you can use this on your paper, and then you can use this tortillon or blending stump to blend out that graphite. Oh, there's a water brush. You know me, I love my water brushes. I got quite a few. So here is a water brush. So this is what the tip looks like. So that is fun. So it must mean that we're going to be doing some watercolor. Ooh, what is this? Oh, how cute. So this is a little flower, and I wonder if this is a magnet. Oh, yep. So I can go ahead and attach that. That is fun. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, and then there is a Micron PN pen. It looks like this one is black. So it has the thinner nib there. So it's a 05. So it's not the plastic nib, it's just a regular pen. So that is what was all in here. And very pretty envelope. I'm not sure what this is. I wonder. Let's open it and see. I don't know what that is. So I'm going to put this back in here, and once I see the video, I'll find out what that is. And then the little flower goes in there, and then the little card. So she also included some Viviva colors. So it says mini color sheets, 6 watercolors. And let's take a look at that. So That is a protector sheet, and it has here a user guide. Step 1 is wet your brush, then swirl your favorite color and paint the magic. So how fun is that? I'm not sure. That looks like it says midnight blue, foliage green, chrome yellow, vermilion, crimson. Can't really read that, but it looks like it's some sort of brown. So that is fun. And then look at the pretty paper here. Let's see what is in here. Oh, there's a little floral sketchbook. It says 2026. Oh, it's nice. It's smooth paper. But this is a sketchbook, so we'll probably be doing some drawing in here. But what else is in here? Oh, I wonder. Ooh. So this is the paper. Really pretty. Can go ahead and reuse that. I'm interested to see what is this. Trying to get it open. Okay, let me pause and try to get this open. Okay, here we go. Oh, so that looks like it's a postcard. Oh. Okay, so it looks like these are postcards. So watercolor postcards. Oh, this. What are there? Oh, how many are in here? Wow, it's a whole tin of postcards. And then there's a little bit of, backing here. But let's see how many postcards we have in here. So this, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, wow, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there's 24 postcards, watercolor postcards in here. And it is the cold press. I'm not sure if you can see that texture. So it seems to me, without seeing anything else, or again, I'll watch the videos, but I'm wondering if we're going to be, well, maybe doing our sketches in here and then drawing them on here and then using the watercolors. And then we can mail them out to family and friends. So I might just do that and send them out to some of my friends and family and YouTube family. So this is nice. So here's the tin. Again, it's a metal tin, as you can hear. Let me just put it that way. So watercolor postcards. Then we have the floral sketchbook. How many sheets are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think probably about 12 in there. Then, of course, we have her little drawing, and this is a magnet. The mini color sheet, so that is going to be fun. Again, not sure what this is. I don't know. I'll have to find out, and then I'll let you know in the description box. And then all the other little goodies that were in here. So this is it for the May Florals by Minutes of Zen. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and see if she has the video up, which I guess she does with the QR code, and just find out what this is. It says Jebby. Not sure, but is there anything on here? Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. And again, if you are interested in purchasing this, I believe she is selling it separately from the subscription. And you can just go to minsofzen.com. And again, I'll link that in my description box. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye.